Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a historic 2-day visit to Kuwait. He is the first Indian leader to visit the Gulf nation in 43 years since Indira Gandhi. On his first day, after being warmly welcomed by Sheikh Fahad Yusuf, Saud Al Sabah, and a host of ministers and dignitaries, the Indian Prime Minister started his program with a visit to a labour camp in Mina Abdullah area of Kuwait. Highlighting the importance of the welfare of Indian workers abroad, the Prime Minister inquired about the well-being of the workers and the working and living conditions in the camp. He earlier met with Abdullah Al-Baroon and Abdul Latif Al-Nasef after his arrival. Baroon has translated both the Ramayana and the Mahabharata in Arabic, which have been published by Abdul Latif. The Prime Minister had referred to these efforts in his radio program Mann Ki Baat. In a display of regard for popular requests, PM Modi also met with the Kuwait-based 101-year-old ex-IFS officer Mangal Sen Handa. Handa's granddaughter Shreya Juneja had requested the PM to meet her grandfather on a post on the platform X, to which the leader had responded positively. This was followed by attending a gathering of Indian diaspora at a special Hala Modi event in Kuwait, discreetly reminiscent of the Howdy Modi 2019 US diaspora event.
सबके दिल में एक ही गूंज है, भारत माता की.
Speaking at the Sheikh Saad Al Abdullah Indoor Sports Complex, PM Modi praised the diaspora's contribution to global growth. He referred to the 1 million strong Indian population in Kuwait, the largest expatriate community in the nation, as a mini Hindustan, which has given a unique Indian touch to Kuwaiti society. Alongside appreciating the hard work, achievement and contribution of the Indian diaspora, PM Modi thanked the leadership of Kuwait for the welfare of the Indian community. The Prime Minister shared India's achievements and growth trajectory and invited attendees to participate in the upcoming Mahakumbh as well as the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. He later attended the opening ceremony of the 26th Arabian Gulf Cup as the Amir's guest of honor. He was also joined by the Crown Prince as well as Kuwait's Prime Minister. This informal meeting between the four leaders sets the stage for more formal talks to take place today. In an interview with the Kuwait news agency Kuna on Saturday, PM Modi highlighted the need for diversification into non-oil trade, including in the fields of pharmaceuticals, health, technology, digital innovation and textile sectors. He also highlighted that in his meeting with the Amir, the focus will be on elevating bilateral ties in areas including defense, trade, investment and energy. The Indian Prime Minister also highlighted the leadership role played by India in advocating the concerns of the Global South amidst shared aspirations. He hailed India as a reliable development partner for the Global South, as a first responder in times of crises, a leader on climate action, and a champion of inclusive growth and development. Bureau Report, India Today Global.